Okay, so the plan is to go on a solo expedition, climb 4,000 feet, and survive a night without a tent above tree line. Then summit Mount Lafayette before trudging my way down to the trailhead. The reason I'm going to such extreme lengths to test myself out here is because I have a belief that wilderness is the ultimate container for self-improvement. The adversity this mountain is throwing at me demands peak performance, no errors in judgment, and the willpower to endure pain. To me, this is the ultimate container to get a glimpse into who you are under real stress. Man, so day one was a little rough. I haven't even gotten out of my sleeping bag yet, so we'll see how it goes once I start moving and packing up. But yeah, yesterday I started the day with only a few hours of sleep, drove through the night through a blizzard to get to the trailhead. I didn't get off work until 10 p.m., so it was a long drive going over the mountain passes, jousting with the snowplow drivers. Only one on the road, they probably thought I was crazy. I made it to the trailhead, thank God it was open and not completely drafted with snow, so I can kind of bust through and park. Only got about 4 hours of sleep, woke up and hit the trail. Making it all the way to the ridge in one day was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I did a little bit of exploring on the ridgeline once I got up, and I found this really nice protected spot here. A really good place to set up my bivy, depending on how I feel is going to set my ambitions for the day. I would like to get to the summit. If not, you know, you take what you get.